how you have worked with them throughout your career and what you think is next.
Thank you, Marvin. In the three amigo evil sweepstakes, Syria trumps even Venezuela because 30% of the population have fled that country, and another 20% have fled Assad's rule into areas under control of the opposition or foreign forces, including American forces in the northeast. We are continuing to use all tools of government to put pressure on this regime and its supporters for a diplomatic solution. As I said, the hand of peace with the fist of pressure. And it worked. It worked today when the Secretary General announced that a constitutional committee under UN Security Council Resolution 2254 passed in 2015, but sitting in abeyance for most of that time, has now moved forward because the regime and its sponsors realize that they cannot stand up to the international pressure. They have to start making concessions. And we're going to keep on them until they make sufficient concessions to turn around the horror and tragedy that has cost the lives of 500,000 people in Syria.
So I'm going to put the three of you on the hot seat.